Well, welcome back, and to the Nomadic Wandering Star. Thank you, and we just did our name change, so. This is what we just picked up. This is our new home. The van was not getting it. Tree, and it's a '04 Dutchman Sport. In pretty good shape. Need to clean it. And I'm probably going to go up on this roof and reseal it. You're supposed to do that about once every couple years, and I'm not sure if it's been done or not, so we're not going to worry too much about it. We just get her to where she's going and we'll take care of it. But this is what we got. Got a good price on it, and comes. There's the bedroom, living room, kitchen, bath. Pretty much narrows everything down, doesn't it? But this is what we got. So thanks for watching. Got her going on. Getting ready to roll out. Tires look pretty good. They're not dry rotted, but we're gonna stop down the road and double check the pressures. Then watch it a little bit leaving. Make sure I don't tail hook that tree. So here we go. Back to Wandering Star. So just bought 2 brand new propane tanks, 30 pounders. Had them filled. And just bought a brand new 12 volt lithium ion battery. And they come with 60% in them. So this is hooked up in here. Now I am going to do solar, but I'm not going to do it on the trailer. I have my solar on top of the van. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take and clean this out for a jumper box. I hope I got that on film, but if not, that right there. See? Okay, so I'm going to jumper box. What we're going to do is I've got the wiring and stuff. So I'm going to put my MPP controller right in here. Don't look. Anyway, in here. And then I'm going to run a slave cable out and get what they call an Anderson quick disconnect. You put that in here. Actually, I'm going to put it over by the battery. So I only got about a foot or so hanging off of it. And use the batteries on the van to charge, or use the panels on the van to charge the batteries. So that's what's going to happen right now. She's looking good, and here we are. Gotta love it. Stay tuned for more. Good. If you like what you see, subscribe, comment, leave us a like, and tell your friends. So we'll hope to see you all later. Bye bye.